Do you know the bird that romanticized rain across Asia? I'll give you a clue. That's a national bird of Maldives. If you have traveled during the rainy season, anywhere from India to the Philippines, and step out of your city hotel room into the countryside, chances are you have already heard this call. The bird we are sketching today is the white-breasted Waterhen. This bird belongs to the rail family. Rails are usually shy birds, but this fellow is different. It even turns up the small pond in my garden and behaves as if it pays the rent there. For this sketch, do not get carried away trying to draw every feather. Ink and wash works best when you simplify things. A few loose lines are enough to suggest feathers. Let the lines wander slightly. Birds are soft and uneven. Perfect straight lines make them look stiff. And this is one reason I enjoy travel sketching so much. Sketching slows you down. You stop rushing through places trying to photograph everything. You begin noticing detail, the shape of the neck, the reflections in water, the way a bird poses before walking again. Ink and wash quietly teaches patience. Now comes color. I am deliberately leaving parts uncertain because the white breast catches light strongly. Sometimes what you leave out matters more than what you put in. And by the way, if drawing feels intimidating, do not worry about it. You can download the PDF sketch from the link in the description and simply color along with it. Try to keep things muted. A soft grey wash, a tiny touch of bluish grey, a very little earthy yellow for the legs. Do not throw the whole paint box at it. And once you place the wash, leave it alone. Too much brushing usually makes watercolor muddy. That small red patch on the forehead is important though. Sometimes one tiny accent of color quietly carries the whole painting. And what I love about this bird is how deeply it belongs to the rain season. So there we are, the white-breasted Waterhen. And remember, you don't need to be an artist to sketch the world around you. Anyone can sketch. Let's sketch together.